먹을光の中立ち止まりはしないよさえずりは僕を呼ぶように緑色を背に飛び
As we are building our Cinewhoop, which is SpeedyBee Bee35, we are going to unbox this frame. So this is the SpeedyBee O4 Pro frame, and it supports the latest DJI O4 Pro air unit, and this is the first piece in India that we are going to unbox. And yeah, let's open the box and see what we have got inside. So if you want a detailed manual, you can download the manual from SpeedyBee website, how you can assemble this frame. Now we'll be assembling the frame step by step. So these are all the things that we got in the frame kit. And now, yeah, first thing, this is the duct. It feels really solid, but I hope it stays for more than 2 or 3 crashes. Battery strap. These are the extension cables. One is of type C and one is of micro B. Let's keep this aside. And then this is the 3D printed mount where you can install the RX here, your receiver here, and then the antenna, and the GPS module comes here like this. So but as we are going to use HGLR's M100 Pro GPS, the GPS folder, it sits like this. And yeah, as compared to this is a bit big because we are having a GPS module. This is the GPS module which we are going to use. So this fits in this. This is very small for this. As you can see, it doesn't even fit in this. So this was the reason we had a 3D print mount for this. This GoPro holder mounting for this is used for mounting the battery top plate, and we have tweezers for holding the screws. This is for the O4 Pro air unit base plate. We have several screws. These are used for holding the antennas of the DJI O4 Pro unit. If you don't want to see this detailed screw description, you can skip the part. I just want to show you if in case it may be helpful for you guys. So these are the rubber garments where this will be installed in this, and this will be attached to this. Now let's start the build process step by step. So the first thing is we have to build the camera cage for the O4 Pro. As of now I'm not having the camera, but I will show you how you can do that. So in the kit itself you will get a plastic cage like this. In this case we have 4 different hooks. Let me just show you. So these are the hooks, this 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this you have to insert this rubber garments. These are not ordinary one. You can see this rubber garment has a vertical hole in this. This vertical hole which is there, this will be inserted into these hooks. Just show you by one. It goes like this. Yeah, like this. Let me just focus it. Yeah, in this way this will be inserted. Once you have inserted this, now you have to insert this other side to these holes. So there are different holes in this. I will show you which one exactly. I will provide a picture. You can have a better idea. We can do this now. This is the top side, so this will be facing upwards, and these are the bottom one. The bottom one which are there, this should be the circular hole should go down. So this will be like this. Let me just do this. Yeah, now you can have a clear idea. Basically, these two will be facing upwards, and then this will be in this manner. These two rubber grommets or the rubber gummies which are there will sit inside this, and this will go inside this, and this two will go at the sides, at this side and this side. It should look something like this. So once you are done with that, now take this aluminum standoff. You will find a hole here, front plate for the camera. These are the screws which we want. We can take this one and insert from the bottom side, and you can find two holes here. This two, insert this. Once you have installed the camera cage in the front side, the next task is you have to insert the standoffs here. These are the standoffs that we should insert there. M2.5, 25.5. It's all standoffs. The next step is take this 3D printed part which goes at the back side. Make sure that the hole which is given here, this should go through this standoff. Ensure that the wire is from it goes down, and take the base plate, and this is the forward direction where two holes will be there, and this is the back side. M3 7mm hex screwdrivers. We need total 4 of this. You need a 2mm Allen key to fix them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you have done this, the next task is to take this M3 cross 9mm screws. This will sit on the battery panel. So it will go like this. So the next step is to install this GoPro mount. The hole which is there, this should be facing backward, and it will sit like this. For this we need this M3 cross 8mm screws which will be at the back side, and for the front we need M3 10mm. So first we'll insert the front one, and then we'll go for the back side. Now it perfectly fits. So make sure that whenever you are trying to insert any screws, don't tighten up them so tight that other screws will not enter. Because of this, the earlier screw was not going inside. Yeah, it's fine. The back side, we have this M3 cross 8mm screws. So once you have fixed this should look something like this. So to summarize, first we have inserted this cage, and after that the top plate by inserting the aluminum standoffs inside this halo spacings. Then we have done with this battery pad, and then this one was included in that. So this is how it looks from the top. Once you are done like this, now we'll take the bottom plate. For the bottom plate we need this M3 cross 14 mm. The longer one goes at the back side, and we have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Still we have few things to do. Those are the antenna holders here. We'll install them as well. Once you have inserted the screws like this will go here, and then the remaining will go here. So as of now there are no motors installed here, so this will just sit on the frame itself. And yeah, this is the final Bee35 DJI O4 Pro supported frame. As compared to DJI O3 Bee35, the modifications are just the camera cage, this antenna holders, and this bottom CNC plate for the new DJI O4 Pro air unit. So this is the final frame. Now let's have a closer look how it actually is. So first thing is the impressive dampening case for the DJI O4 camera unit. In earlier Bee35 O3 there was just a rubber padding here and camera used to sit, but here we have the dampening balls for the camera. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a good vibration isolator for the camera unit. We have the battery strap, which is from the SpeedyBee itself. Bee35 DJI O4 Pro supported Bee35 frame. So I'm very happy that in India this is the only video as of now you can watch to install the DJI O4 Pro air unit. And we'll meet in the next video. This is going to be a complete Bee35 Cinewhoop build series. We have got other parts as well. So thanks for watching the video.